PRPL stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute PRPL stock analysis video till the end to find out. Just looking at Purple Innovation, it definitely blew up, you know, 16% up, 126 million market cap. First thing that I want to see is just the overall bias in this. It seems like I've already kind of got my drawings here. That was in September 2022, so that's long, just invalid, you know, it's not something that I'm looking for anymore. Because my way of trading has changed for sure. I mean, I've done 35,000 videos, spent thousands of courses, mentors, documented everything, and PRPL. I mean, I'm open to just taking this thing higher, you know. It's not like nothing long term or anything, but like, because we see like a beautiful range shift here, there's like literally nothing stopping me, like, from trying out the waters on the long side. It's not going to be like an immediate long that I'll take though. Like, it must come down a little bit and then show me like a shift in order for me to take things up. But other than that, everything else is noise. So I'll keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.